Hey everybody, thanks for coming back, and today we got another viewer request. This is for a cocktail, and this comes from George Karahalios. If I mispronounced your name, I really apologize, but it's a pretty big last name. And what George requested was that everyone hits the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribes to the channel. Alright, I'm lying, but we can still go ahead and do those two things, no big deal. What George actually requested was under our mojito video, left a comment and asked for a cocktail with cucumber. So today, we're making nice, crisp cucumber coolers. Really refreshing cocktail. Let me show you how we make this. So we're gonna take our cocktail shaker here. We're gonna add 6 mint leaves. We don't want too much mint flavor. And then we're just gonna take that and muddle that a bit. Then we're gonna take our cucumber. We're gonna take 6 slices of cucumber, not too thick. Put those right in there and muddle those. Some of the moisture from the cucumber. Break them up good, and we'll juice in half a lime. Got some nice good gin here. 1.5 ounces of gin. Now to really flavor this cocktail, I got some elderflower liqueur. It's not too strong, it's very earthy, just a touch of floral notes. It's not really strong like a lavender, but it really gives this cocktail a nice flavor, or any cocktail a nice flavor. This is really good, just 1 ounce of this, filled with champagne. That's a good brunch cocktail. But this stuff really good, and it's a little bit sweet, so we're not going to add any sugar to this cocktail. We're going to get the sweetness right from this elderflower liqueur. So we're going to add 1 ounce of this. And then we'll just give this a shake. All right, set that aside. So I got a cucumber here, cut in half. And to garnish the glass, I'm just going to cut a couple of thin strips here. Infuse our cocktail with some more cucumber flavor. We'll line the glass with this. Set this aside. And then we're going to take 3 chunks here, good size, and we're going to take a melon baller, and we want to get 3 cucumber balls here for garnish, just like that. Keep all this extra cucumber for another cocktail or salad. Put them on a skewer. We'll add some ice to our glass. Take our cucumbers, wedge them behind the ice, like so. Fill the rest of the glass with ice. Bring back our cocktail shaker. Strain that mixture in. Put all that in there. And we'll just top with tonic water. We'll add our cucumber skewer back in. Sprig of mint. And the straw. That's it, cucumber cooler. Looks good right there. Really refreshing. This is something you want to let this sit for 5 minutes, let those flavors really develop. Thanks again for George Karahalios sending in this request. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, keep sending those video requests on Instagram, comment below on the YouTube videos. Thanks again for watching.